Hey, it's Ballistic Random. So today we're going to do an unboxing on Revive Phoenix B-117 10 friction. So I've already opened it, so this is more of a review than anything. Again, so I'll just go in depth with its parts. So let me move that up and adjust it. Okay. Well, I'll start out with its driver. So this is friction. It's basically what it's supposed to do is this is made out of palm. It's one of the most. What is it? Well, it has more stamina than. It's a plastic that gives it like stamina, but like I'm saying that wrong. It gives it more stamina than other material they use. But it comes with friction, but it doesn't work because, see right here, it doesn't barely hits it, especially with how big this layer is. Alright, moving on. So let me put that right here. Oh god, here's 10. So this is basically the same weight as 0. But I think 0 is better because it gives it more stamina. So it's pretty neat though. And here is Revive Phoenix, the layer. So as you know, this comes with Revive armor. And also I want to thank Keratomi, which is just ankle, for making that very loose. I know it's not supposed to be like that because this side isn't that loose, but whatever. Okay. So the gimmick of this is that it's supposed to, when this outer layer comes off and this keeps on spinning. So how it works is, you see this white part right there. It's kind of hard to see how it moves. Right, yeah, how it moves. You see that? I know it's blurry, but so what it's supposed to happen is, okay, hold on. It's kind of hard to do this. Jeez. Okay. I mean, like, it's not hard to slide it in, but it's like kind of hard in this angle I'm doing it in. So how it works is, see this right here? It's supposed to lock it in, and it's supposed to keep it in. Hold on, did it wrong. It's supposed to keep it in place. I mean, it still comes off, but as you can see, it takes a little knot right there. I can't stand that. It takes a little bit of effort. So that's pretty cool. Let's do a test spin. Of course, the bay came with a launcher. I'm not going to obviously use it, but I'll do a test spin with it. Because I do not like light launchers. Here, let me find a good angle. Okay. So 3, 2, 1, shoot. As you can see, it kind of goes around in its circles. Like all these Super Z layers, bays, are very agile. Like my Emperor Fornius, for example, like the yard makes it move around so much. And then Hazard Kirby is coming out, and Atomic, you know how agile that is. So all these defense types don't act like defense types. Not that that's a problem, it's just a thing. But let's do some test spins. I'll do it with these two. Okay. Again, up to my grandma's house. Okay. So, well, did I say test spins or test battles? These are test battles, so 3, 2, 1, It didn't even need its revive armor. Wow, oh, well, came off. Okay. It's cool. Alright, that's it for that. Let's do... I'm not gonna do that again. I'm just gonna do one, and I might do one more. Okay. So shoot. Something I noticed about this bay is that it's very unbalanced. I don't know if it's because of the driver, the disc, or the layer. I think it's a little bit of both, but mostly the disc, if I have to guess. I don't know. Alrighty. One more. almost have every single layer. I'm not gonna get that. I'm probably gonna get the thing on preset. I'm not gonna get the random layer though. Okay. Well, it won that time. I'm gonna get it one more time. So I don't have every single layer. I don't have Vice Leopard yet. But I cannot wait for that Buster Saber to come out. Okay, well, it won. I'm gonna do one more. I think I'll do Hell Salamander. Oh wait, let me get the left launcher. Here it is. Cause it takes so much time just to like flip that back. Okay, I decided to do another one after this one. I'm gonna do Bloody Longness, and then I'll be done. Oh, I lost 2 clicks, but this didn't even come off. So that's kind of weird. I hope that's not a defect. I've been waiting for this for like a long time. Like a ridiculously long time. But I kind of expected it to come today. Okay, well, whoa, kick that. Okay. Well, alrighty then. It came off at least this time. Sometimes it just doesn't come off. I don't know if others does that. I hope mine's not the only one that does that. I don't think it's supposed to be like that, but I think it'll be fine. I guess I like though how I guess I like how every time it does it. I'm pretty sure you know this, but you're not allowed to remove the revive armor when it comes off in the stadium. So you're supposed to leave it there. Probably because like every time you pick it up you might hit a bay. And that just ruins the battle, so I understand that. Like when I do my battle royales and they burst, it's kinda hard. I'm trying to God. Oh, it's not okay. Yeah, that works. Sometimes you have to do that. I don't know why. Anyways, let's do one more. Obviously, Bloody was not gonna win. Alrighty. Bloody Long Anus. Oh, wait. There you No! Have trouble with this. Oh yeah, and also I want to do a little quick comparison to show you. I have a Horror Suit, Hasbro version. Not the character told me. Kind of sucks. Edge sucks. Spread is, I don't know. It's fine, I think. I mean, it's not competitive anymore. Or if it was decent, I guess. But anyways, just want to do, as you can see, this right here and this right here, they're pretty similar looking. Also, they're supposed to represent birds, because Phoenix is a bird. Well, it's like a mythical bird. Both of them are mythical birds. But when the Phoenix, that's like its whole gimmick. Like, this is supposed to, like, when a Phoenix dies, it turns to ash, and it's reborn. So it's kind of immortal. So it's pretty cool. Like, they took that to a T. But for some reason, I'm like, not every single time, I cannot get it to go on right. That was kind of a bad launch, but oh well. Okay, one more, and this will be the last one. Oh my. Oh, that didn't break. Yay. Okay, wait. This thing is so hard to get on. Okay. Alright, 2 clicks. There we go. It's the right round. And it won. So, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the review. So, this thing, I kind of like the bay. I just have little problems with it. Like, it's cool, but... And I hear it, and it's pretty good, too, but... Yeah, just has some problems with it, but that's okay. It's fine. So, I recommend this bay. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you later. Peace out.